So you're a janitorial company. Why choose Eagle for your factoring needs? Well, we understand your space. We have a number of janitorial clients on board. We understand the terminology that you use and the kind of customers that you have. So for example, it wouldn't surprise us if you said, okay, well, my billing has to be issued on the first of the month for that month's service. That doesn't scare us. Some other factors will not like that and will not be able to fund you. But with us, we get it. We know that you have a contract. It's a month-to-month thing maybe. We're comfortable and we'll certainly fund you. You have access to a specialist that understands this space. Not only that, you're going to have a quick turnaround time. That's important to know how much is it going to cost and can I get approved? Typically, our turnaround from receipt of application and supporting documents can be a number of days, a couple of days through to a week, from application to funding. Compare that to talking to a bank. Very different. And with us, again, it's not alone. You're not going to make repayments. You are going to have access to that specialist that understands your space. And we're very focused on getting your deal approved and funded quickly so that you can have access to that cash right away and not wait to get paid. So another reason people come to us, particularly in this space, is if they're adding new customers, they're wanting to grow, they want to make sure that those customers are going to be creditworthy and are going to pay. So part of our service, it's all included in the price, will be to help you underwrite or credit check those new customers. Again, you just let us know the name of the company that you're thinking of doing business with, and we'll run some credit checks on them and make sure that we can approve them for funding. It's possible we're already dealing with them for another company. We have a number of customers in this space, as I mentioned. So that's another great reason to come to us. Plus, speed of funding. Again, if you submit your invoices to us by 12 p.m. Eastern, you'll be funded same day for no extra charge. A lot of other factors will charge you for same day funding. That's not something we try and do at Eagle. So again, janitorial companies are very welcome here at Eagle. We understand your pain points and the particular cash flow needs that you have, be it getting supplies or paying your people on time. And checking out new customers. Very important that you do that wisely before you start doing business with people. Timing of your billing, very happy with that too.